Welcome viewers. On Monday, former President Donald Trump escalated his attacks on New York Attorney General Letitia James, labeling her a racist and urging that she spend her office's resources to combat the city's growing crime rather than investigating the Trump Organization. In this video we will break it all down for you. But before we proceed, if you are new to my channel, please take a minute of your precious time to hit the subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell to get the latest updates from us. On Easter Sunday, the former president issued a series of remarks criticizing radical left maniacs. Frank James was charged in federal court, which means his case is not under the authority of the state attorney general, New York Post reported. Rather than focusing on crime in New York, Trump accused James of spending millions of dollars and a significant portion of her office in going after him and the Trump Organization. Trump focused on James, who has been investigating the Trump Organization and in February issued subpoenas for testimony and records to the former president, his daughter Ivanka Trump, and son Donald Trump Jr. James petitioned a judge earlier this month to hold Trump in contempt for refusing to give over records as part of her probe, and she sought for a $10,000 punishment for each day he refused to follow the judgment. After former Trump fixer Michael Cohen testified before Congress that the then-yearly president's financial statements overstated the worth of his assets so that he could receive better loan and insurance policy conditions, the Attorney General launched a civil inquiry in 2019. A large part of the blame has rested on Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg, with opponents arguing that his changes to city policy, such as shifting away from pursuing minor charges, have led to the increase in terrible events. According to the most recent available data from the New York Police Department, overall crime in New York City is up 44.26% from this time last year and 27% from this time in 2020. The city severed long-standing connections with the Trump Organization last year, citing the former president's role in the January 6 James, who has been looking into whether the Trump family's real estate empire lied in financial papers to get preferential loans and other business agreements, bowed out of the New York governor's campaign earlier this year. Trump was referring to James' unsuccessful gubernatorial candidacy last year. Following the retirement of former New York Governor Andrew Cuomo, she planned to compete for the state's highest position, but she finally decided to run for Attorney General again rather than oppose current Democratic Governor Kathy Hochul. James has used her position as Attorney General to probe Trump's financial activities, subpoenaing him and two of his children earlier this year. Trump has denied any wrongdoing, blasted her investigations. On Monday afternoon, James' office issued a statement saying she will not be bullied or intimidated by the former president. What is your take on this matter? Please tell us in the comments and remember to subscribe as well. Thanks for watching.